Every business in the country in the world should use this tool, really. I'm the COO of Vella, and I'm a co-founder here. My average work week looks like building the business, leading strategy, and managing all operations, systems, and processes, and personnel. Honestly, I was really closely approaching the point where I was starting to make the decision, I have to hire an EA. Now I don't have to. I use Monday.com as my project management tool. I used Calendly to schedule meetings, but I always found that I was getting a bunch of things going and then things were getting left behind and spinning my wheels in terms of productivity. I was not nearly as dialed in and organized as I am now. And then I found Reclaim, and now I don't have to. I'm able to just be extremely productive, much more productive than I ever thought I could be. Every minute is blocked with something, whether it's like a meal, catching up on emails, or knocking out a project. I started, using it and seeing the benefits. I just started onboarding everyone on the team that I could. It's been a huge game changer for me personally, but for the business also, huge game changer. I can run more projects at the same time. I'm able to manage a lot more work at the same time and get everything done much faster. Another thing that's been really great for me and for the people that report to me are the smart one-on-ones feature, because it's so much easier to get them in if I have something come up and I can just, reschedule it for another time slot. Same goes for that. Having Reclaim move it around for me, I think that's really helped just me stay connected to the team in general. The new feature, Smart Meetings, the leadership team uses to me about fundraising. That's made sure that we get that done on a regular basis. I just think a lot of these things, it's so easy to push everything. Urgent priorities come up, and pretty soon, you're missing tons and tons of important stuff. I would also say, just as a scaling business, it's just keeping our head count down. The more productive the team can be, the less people we need to hire. For people that have never used time blocking before, myself included, I think they're now kind of learning a new way to be productive. We can hit deadlines a lot more effectively. Reclaim is second only to maybe Stripe and my computer. I would say those two things, if I didn't have those, we wouldn't be functioning. But no, it's absolutely huge. I love it.